Welcome, kids! I've been waiting for you. Today is a special day. Ryan, Yummy, Leo, and Maya are going to an American restaurant. But wait, Dad. Do they know the rules? Woohoo! Do they know what to say and what not to say?
Let's find out.
Good afternoon! Welcome to Sunny Diner. How many people today?
It's 5 of us.
Right this way. 5, please. We have 4 children.
Of course! Right this way, please.
When you enter a restaurant in America, always wait for the host to seat you. Never sit down by yourself. Follow me, everyone. Wow. Check that out. Over here, kids. Here we are. Here you are. Your server will be with you shortly. Enjoy. Always we wait for the host. Never sit down first. Oh, I almost did that just now. I'm kidding.
Hi there. My name is Jake, and I'll be your server today. Can I start you off with some drinks?
Yes, please. Oh, I know what I want. Great.
In American restaurants, the waiter will bring you a menu. Read it carefully before you order. What do I say? Just say what you want and say please at the end, okay?
I would like water, please. Great choice.
Orange juice, please. Lemonade, please.
Yay!
Water, please. Thank you.
Perfect. I'll be right back.
Always say please when you order. And say thank you when the waiter brings your food.
In America, menus are divided into sections. HAB, appetizers, main course, desserts.
What are appetizers?
Appetizers are small dishes you eat before the main meal, like soup, salad, or bread. Oh, like a warm-up for your stomach? Exactly, Leo. That's a great way to think about it. Here are your drinks. Are you ready to order?
Yes! Kids, who wants to go first? Me. I would like the grilled cheese sandwich, please.
Excellent. Fries or salad?
French fries, please.
I would like the classic cheeseburger, please. Well done or medium? Well done or medium? Well done means fully cooked. Oh, well done, please. I want
I would like the chicken tenders, please. Aha!
Very good, Leo. Always say about like the tomato soup and a side salad, please. Wonderful choices, everyone.
Remember, Jan, always say I would like when ordering. Never say give me or I want. It sounds much more polite. This is how to order politely in an American restaurant.
I would like the burger, please. Give me the burger. I want the burger. Leo, no tapping, please. Sorry, Aunt Sarah. While we wait, let me tell you some important table manners. Number 1, how? Keep your phone away during meals. Number 2, pot. Put your napkin on your LAP.
Like this?
Number 3, ta. Elbows OFF the table. Number 4, tats. Chew with your mouth closed.
No talking with food in your mouth. My mom always says that too.
Your mom is very right. No phone at the table. Napkin on your lap. No elbows on the table. Chew with your mouth closed. American table manners show respect to everyone around you. Oh, wow! It's here! Look at all that! Yum, yum! So much food.
Grilled cheese for the young lady.
cheeseburger for you. Thank you.
Chicken tenders.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Tomato soup and salad.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your meal, everyone.
What do we do before we eat? We wait for everyone to be served.
Exactly. In America, it is polite to wait until everyone has their food before you start eating. Okay, Taff, everyone has their food. Enjoy. Aunt Sarah Mom, my burger is too big. What do I do? Use both hands. That is perfectly fine in America. Oh, I get it. Yes, that's right. These chicken tenders are amazing. Liu Tao, if you need something, get the waiter's attention politely. In America, you raise your hand slightly hissed like this.
Oh, okay, like this?
Perfect. Excuse me, sir. Could I have some more ketchup, please? Of course. Thank you. Excuse me, waiter? Yes, how can I help you?
Hey, waiter. Hey!
Snap, snap! Boys, that's not how you ask.
Aunt Sarah, what is that?
That is the check har. It shows how much we need to pay. Excuse me, Jake. Could we have the check, please?
Of course, I'll bring it right over.
In America, it is very important to leave a tip. A tip is extra money you give the waiter to say thank you for good service.
How much is a tip?
Usually 15 to 20% of the total bill. If the waiter was very kind and helpful, you can leave a little more. Tipping is a very important custom in America. Always leave a tip, of usually 15 to 20%. It is part of American restaurant culture. Good job pushing your chairs in. That is very polite. Thank you so much for coming. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Goodbye.
That was the best lunch ever. And I learned so many new things. I know how to order properly now.
And we must always tip the waiter.
Now you know the rules of an American restaurant. Say please and thank you. Say I would like but not I want. Wait for everyone before eating.
See you in the next story. Bye-bye.